The missus wanted me to make some Easter bunnies for the grandkids. 4 different grandkids, so 4 different bunnies with the names on. I started off by finding a picture on the internet of a Easter rabbit, and then I put it into Carbide Create and created a file to put on my CNC. I planed up some wood and then I put Oramask on it so that when it's cut out I can paint the lines. The bit I'm using for doing all the lines is a 90-degree V-bit, and then when I come to do the main cutout I use a 3mm down cut bit. I stuck it down using the tape and glue method that a lot of people tend to use. I only did this one with the glue and tape because of, as you can see on the sides there's a lot of blue tape, and so in the end I just used the clamps. Once it was finished cutting out, I then painted it with some black acrylic paint, just some cheap stuff as you buy from places like the Wakes and places like that. Once the paint's dry, then I start stripping off the Oramask and revealing all the black lines. It didn't turn out too bad actually. There was a little bit of bleed on one or two, a couple of little bits of mist, but in general they worked out quite well. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be great, and hopefully you'll tune in for my next video. Thanks a lot.